Okay, we got a 2013 Maverick. We are changing the front through shaft seal. Got the drive shaft off already, and there's the seal there. It's the inside, it's the brown seal. To get that out of there, it's just those 3 bolts, and that whole piece pops out, and you take the seal out from inside there, pop the new one in, and then use some RTV silicone. Put it back in, do the bolts back up, put the drive shaft back on. Took the plastics and stuff off the side here. To get the drive shaft off, you have to pop the front diff out, or not out, but just forward. Take this bracket off and bolts out and move it forward. And then once you got it all back together, just put the drive shaft on, do the bolts back up, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, but a little messing around, but yeah, easy enough job. While we're at it, we're going to change the oil, gearbox oil. Going to grease all the grease zerks, front and rear diff. While we're at it, we got grease zerks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's one on the front of the rear drive shaft, one on the rear drive shaft, 2 up here on the rear part of the front drive shaft, 1 on the front of the front drive shaft, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on either side of the front to grease it. And thank you very much.